copy.rb available for yourself. I put in a public directory, not in public, I put rcopy.rb in both servers, actually on silver and copper, in user local bin. User local bin is there, okay? Right over there, okay? So right over here we have r copy dot. You could copy it to your home directory and use it. You could make a copy of it. Or you could create a link to it if you want. Create a symbolic link, but you don't need to copy it. Okay? Link is the same as copy, okay? So you could create a link to it, hard link, soft link, put it up to you, okay? Or create, or copy that. If you do not know how to make a link or something, just copy that, okay? This is not very big, okay? So the very first thing is you copy this to your home directory. So now you're gonna have rcopy.rb, okay? So when you have rcopy.rb available, the very first thing you're gonna do is this. Okay, dash M. Dash M is gonna create the .hub file. We discussed about hub file last time. Host name, user ID, password file, okay? So you need to do it before using rcopy.rb, okay? So run this command, just once, you don't need to run it more than, okay? And system is gonna ask you a question about what is the machine, you're gonna type hills.ccsf.edu, what is your user ID over there, what's your password over there, and everything is done. Following? Okay. So far, so good. Now, we are ready to do this, okay? Use it. In our program, if you are using shell script, wherever you want, in your shell script, you gotta do it like that. R copy dot RB followed by dash R followed by dash Q followed by etc. This is a command that you need to use in your shell script and in your Java if you are using Java, okay? Following this command. Okay. And what it does is gonna download a group file from hills to silver or copper. This one, right? Because you need to have this file available in your silver or copper, right? We discussed about group file last time. Do you remember? I said each one of us have information in a group file, right? And also I said that there are, if you want, I can do it right now. Let's let's log into silver and I'll show you. This is better, right? And I'm going to ask one by one of you to come over there and copy it. Okay? Let's do it. Because no matter how many times I explain to you, you need to see with your own eyes. Okay, let's bring it down. Okay. Hopefully you are able to log into hills or silver or copper, and I can do that for you. Okay? Would you like any of you a copy to silver and I show you right away?
Yeah.
Yes, why not? Adriana could do that. So which machine are you going to use? Silver or copper? You could do it on both of them if you want, okay? Doesn't matter.
The silver.
Okay. So we select, for example, silver, right? So
Let's take up time. Because it didn't work last time.
last time it didn't work. Now see if it is working this time or not. Is it okay or not okay?
There you go.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So now we need to log into Heels first, and actually we could directly log into the server because all of we are in a yeah.
I think yes.
So we could go to actually
Yes.
others is fine. We could go to others, okay? And CS fact, CS fact. That's it, exactly. And password again is CS fact. Okay. Good. So now you could open the window and terminal. Okay. And now we could log into Silver or Silver is fine. 47, 144, 23, 64. Yeah. Exactly. And password, your password.
Oh.
What happened to password?
I didn't change.
Maybe what happened now. Okay. So
Let's try the other one. It's supposed to be
try
the date.
try get into Oracle, for example. It's really good. Yeah. SSH Oracle. CS151B. Okay, Oracle is accessible, but
I will check.
you could just go to SU, see if you are able to do that. SU dash, just put dash, space, yes, and then we pass. Okay, doesn't matter. What you could do, just type SU, okay, and root exclamation mark super, okay, and now you just type passability space your name, Alves, okay, yeah.
And change my password.
And you change the password right now, okay. Please memorize it, okay. So you got it. So you could just SU to your account, okay.
And I 3 times in my phone.
Good.
There we go.
So we got it, okay? Okay, now what we need to do is we need to have a copy. So just use CP space user local bin / r copy .rb to period. That's it.
Do I need a?
No, so you got it, okay? So you could just verify that if it is there. Yes, this is there, okay? So the very first thing we need to do is we need to create the,
Yeah.
yes, okay? But the point is when you're typing your password, it's gonna show here, okay? So you need to be careful about that. Okay? So the password of here. So this is maybe this is a bad part of it, okay? So maybe we could just
Turn off the screen.
this should be there, but I don't think this is gonna. Yeah. Or very easy. This is okay, but you can just stop the projector, right? And you're there, and after that, when you do that, you're gonna do. You don't have to change anything. Yeah, you can stop the projector. Okay. I think the very first item is gonna stop the projector, right? Without stopping. Okay, that's good. So now you have, okay. So what you're gonna type? You're gonna type
Copy dash M.
R copy. I'm gonna put it here for everybody.
Dash M.
On copy dot RB followed by dash M. Okay?
Oops, command, oh, never mind.
Yeah, I can
Put BR.
space dash M. Okay? So host name is gonna be heals.ccsf.edu. Heals.ccsf.edu. And after that, it's going to ask you for yes. Okay? Exactly. And the password, whatever your password is, make sure your password and heals. And after that, is this continuous or no, right?
No.
So no. That's it. So it is created, right? So if you type create, and if you use ls-la, you could see that the hop file is.
So the username, do we have to use your name or our name?
Well, okay.
Username,
It's going to ask you
it's,
3 questions.
right,
Host is going to be heals.ccsf.edu.
right,
It's going to ask username. It means your username on Heals.
my username.
Okay? And after it's going to ask you what your password is on Heals. Okay? And that's it. Hop file is created.
Yep.
Okay? Just for
Let me make sure I'm there.
just chat it, see what's happening. Just chat hop file. Just to see that. Just chat it. cat.hop file. See that? It's just encrypted.
Wow, that's
It
nice.
is not really doesn't show anything.
Mhm.
See that?
I can make a demo here and then show them, just delete later, because it's gonna create a new one, or gonna append it.
If you want to, but you need to know that your password and what you're
I
gonna.
can create later, just wanna show them after that, remove JSON, I can do a lot of it.
Okay, just delete. Okay, just go.
You got
Okay.
this command here,
Okay. Yes.
or copy
Look at you see if you want. He's repeating again. Okay. Good. Okay. Host name. Heals.
Oh, that's no else.
Heals.ccsf.edu or whatever host name you have. But in this case, our host name is Heals.
Yeah, and here, username. That's a B.
That's it. And now, hub file is created. Okay. See that? And if you look at it, okay, it's hub file is created, and if you just cat, see, this is all encrypted. Following me? So this is the way that you're gonna do. But go back to your actual. We can do it later, okay? So
Yeah, I
you
can do
did
later.
that, okay? So
Move this
you-
up, make
you-
sure.
so you did that, okay? So
I can do later.
everybody should do the same thing. You need to make a copy of rcopy.rb from user local bin available on copper and on silver. You could use on both machines, you could use any of them, doesn't matter. And the very first thing you need to do is you need to create your hub file. Okay? This hub file has your information about Heals, but encrypted. As you see, is encrypted. So nobody could see anything, could understand what's going on, okay? Information is encrypted, okay?
Do you want me to copy the host file to the group file from news? Let me just close here and then I can create again to make sure.
Oh, you want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know,
So,
stuff.
Uh,
Let's see. Set you.
so you did that. You create a hub file, okay? Now that is made, let's go for test drive. Let's manually copy a file from here to here. Whatever file you have, just use rcopy .rb followed by dash r, it means you're going to receive any file which you have on here. You have to have it,
Let
okay?
me see what I have on here.
Okay, you remember a file? If you don't, you could just bring some this file, okay? Well, actually, so you don't remember what file, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just do it this way. Just type rcopy.rb dash h. See what's gonna happen.
Oh.
You are yes rcopy.rb dash h. Okay. So where are you?
Oh. Oh, never mind. Hold on.
Home directory.
There you go.
rcopy.rb space dash h. Yeah. Okay. So it shows everything. So actually, some of these options allow you to get a listing of remote files. So dash L is going to show you, if you use rcopy dash L, it's going to show you all of the files that you have on Hills. See that? These are all remote files. Let's use rcopy dash rb.
Dash R.
rcopy.rb
RB.
space dash L.
Dash L.
Yeah. These are all of the files and hills. So, see that?
Yeah.
So you could select any of them and load them. For example, my aliases, whatever you have, okay? For any file that you have, you could just see if you are able to copy the file,
That's good.
fruits, right? Okay, so you have fruits, okay? Okay, so now go back. Just use rcopy.rb space dash r means receive followed by that file. Exactly. Fruit successfully received from here. Look, you can look at it now. See if it's there. Which is there. Okay. So you could check it if it. So see the file is there. See how easily you could do that. Now you could bring group of files by one try. Not you can say rcopy dash r any file name, as many file name as you want separated by space. File name.
What about directory? Can I bring the full directory?
I don't know, I haven't tried it, but maybe there's an option available that you could bring a directory.
So
You could take a look.
D, no debug, dash D deleted, R receive, isolated groups, and release, rejects, no release. Approve both, nope, we don't have to use both.
Well, of course you could do dash F is a folder specified the destination. No, dash F is going to show the destination, right?
Yep.
So you want to bring the entire
Directory, which is going to be the dash R and the SCP command.
I'm going to add this feature to that. Good idea. I didn't know that there is a need for that. Good idea. But as you see, there's a lot of options available here, right?
Yep.
So for our case, we need to use dash Q followed by dash R. So we need to use rcopy dash Q
Should be quite
dash
full.
R for quiet because your script should not show successfully, this kind of thing, okay? So dash R, it is Q is quiet, dash R is receive, followed by file,
Let's
okay?
try. Let's try again.
Yes. Okay, let's see manually if it works or not. Just use this etc followed by group. That's what we need to do it automatically, not manually. But we are doing that manually to see if we are able to do that. rcopy dash Q dash R followed by etc group.
Let's get one directory on. Should be better. of the article.
Or the but you
Yeah.
copy that,
Yeah.
or you could make it symbolically, it doesn't
Yeah.
matter. You just copy that, or you could just copy
This
that.
one.
CP dot dot
Dot,
slash
slash.
or copy dot RB period. Yeah, now you have
There.
it.
Copy.
RB dash R
dash R.
space dash Q followed by the HC group
C.
OUP. That's it. And as you see, it was quiet. See, it didn't display successfully. And now you have it group, okay? If you cat group, you see everything is there. See that? Okay?
That's fast.
And if you remember, I mentioned that in the group file, CRN shows each course, right? So the first item here on a group file is a CRN number. So in your program, you should look for the CRN number for our course or any course, doesn't really matter, because this shows that. See that? Okay? And right after the CRN number, the very first item is the instructor name. Okay. For example, here, look at it. This is one of our courses, right? My name is here, and all of the people in that course are separated one after each other. See that? So what all you need to do, just in your script or in your shell program or whatever, you need to get all of these login IDs from Hills, because you need to create accounts for all of these in your program.
Or
Okay.
you can grip your username, which is gonna be.
But username account already exists.
Well, that's what I'm going to discuss about. It's a very good point. Very good point. So now let's see what we need to do. So everybody's okay?
Yes.
So the first step is you guys copy or copy.rb to your account. Use -m to create hub file, okay? And after that, you're ready to write your script to do the job, okay? The homework assignment that we are working on is about creating accounts, right? Creating accounts, deleting accounts. You could create accounts, you delete accounts. Of course you need to delete accounts because bunch of accounts you have created and you don't need them anymore, you need to delete them, right? This is your job as a DBA. Otherwise, thousands of accounts will be accumulated over each other and the system cannot handle it any longer, right? So you need to be able to create account, delete account, show the account user and so forth, okay? Okay, so, okay, job is done. I'm gonna take care of it here, okay? And you could, thank you, Adriano. So you saw it was not that hard, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna move this up and go back to our site, okay? I don't think I can assign this homework tonight because we need to go for midterm exam, right? But I'm going to assign it next week that we need to create a program, right? This program is called Account Manager. I call it ACCTMGR, Account Manager, okay? That is gonna, of course, we could, whatever name you want to call it, but I call it Account Manager. This accepts -C for create account, uses -D for delete account, it shows -S to show account, and it uses -H to help, okay, help. Displays all of the options as well, okay? So this is the job of account manager.
What is dash S again?
-S means show the account.
Show the accounts.
Okay? Show the account. create accounts, delete accounts, show accounts, help. Following? Okay? This is exactly what we do. Now, one of the problems that we're going to have is, let's say, a bunch of accounts are already created by me for you. If you delete them, it's very dangerous, right? So what we need to do is, when you're creating accounts, you need to create accounts a bit different, okay? So, let's start. I'm going to start from here. You're gonna prepend. It means you're gonna prepend A underscore to the accounts. So if you're creating account for Alves, you're gonna have A. Let's say Alves.
Let's see.
Let's say you want to create account for John. Account for Alex, and so forth. So these are all of the IDs that we are getting from here, right? But we are prepending A to it because you want to make them different, right? Because you delete them, create them, so you don't want to touch health, okay? So you're going to be B. So you're going to put B to all of the accounts that you're creating, right? You're going to have what? C. So write it down that not, you're going to be C, you're going to be B, you're going to be A, right? So we're going to come over here. A, B, C. After that, it's going to be D. After D, E. After that, F, right? So A, B, C, D, E, F. Clear? So all accounts are completely different now. Okay? Following? So all of the accounts that we are creating, we should prepend A to it for you, B to it. So very easily you could delete them, delete all of those that begin with A underscore, or delete all of them that begin with B underscore, so forth. So because eventually we need to get it done, right? Follow? So between now and next week that we want to really, I want to assign this and show you how to do that, and make sure that you're gonna write a shell script or you're gonna write a Java program, and in your shell script or Java, you are able to use our copy to load any file, okay, to load group file, because your script or your Java program should be able to download the group file automatically, right? Following? And after that, wait for me, I'll tell you what the homework assignment is all about. We need to do some, we need to create an account, but I need to tell you what kind of account should be created, what kind of grant should be given, right? And some security stuff we need to add, otherwise maybe we're going to damage everybody's account, right? So this is going to be the story of next week that I'm going to assign. Okay? Because the subject is account management, the homework assignment is about account management, okay? This is very good homework assignment, but please, between now and next week, make sure that you're gonna play with our copy.rb and make it ready, okay? Okay, now we get into the midterm.